Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here. And today I want to talk about promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets. One account, day 61, I believe, right? Now the reason why I only use one account is because I want to try to emulate what people would make if they first started in the system, so to speak. So I'm trying to do that because most people are only going to get one account. I can't imagine what people with 10 accounts would do with this system. All right, guys. That's the reason why I do that and try to emulate. You might get more sales, you might get less sales, but this is what I'm getting from one account. That's all I can tell you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. The links are in the description if you want to follow along, and we can get started. Okay. So, first off, let me talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 business. One, it's a very lucrative funnel builder and it's very well done. No limitations at all for only $25. You get more stuff as well, but that's the main thing you get for the $25. A really solid, elaborate funnel builder that you have multiple presets of, because people in the system, they can decide to give you their funnels. They put them up for everybody in the system, so you can always just click theirs and then just put your links in there and you're done. And there's no limitation to how many funnels you can make or anything like that. So it's a really well done funnel system, right? So that's the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Okay. Now the next, the most known now, the biggest funnel builder today is ClickFunnels. Most popular funnel builder today is ClickFunnels, and what it charges is $97 per month, and there's a bunch of limitations on it. So as how many funnels you can make, how many pages you can make, how many people in the funnel, or how many domains you can have, all kinds of stuff, or limitations, right? And if you want to get rid of some of them limitations, not even all of them, you would have to pay $300 per month, which is absolutely just stealing money from you at this point. Okay, guys, $25, $300, easy choices for me. Now, let's talk about the second reason why I like promoting this product. And I believe the reason why most people are interested in looking into the $25 all-in-one business right now, it's becoming more and more popular, is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions, guys. That's insanity. The only thing that's even at that level is OnlyFans. Everybody else, and you know what? The only thing is on OnlyFans, and they were complaining about not making enough money off of people a while ago. Think about that. And anything else is like YouTube or Twitch, which is 70, 60, 50%. They just went down from 70 to 50%. Twitch. So like, this is just unheard of. 80% recurring commissions is unheard of. It's just is. And you're not gonna find a better deal than that for the affiliate system. And you can just build you a very solid income just by simply getting people into the system for like one time. You get about 10 people in, $1,200. I think I do the math right. Get 12 people in and they buy both products. That's $1,200. Yeah. All right, guys. So let's check the results here. Now it looks, I gotta refresh the page. Look like I didn't get a sale, but let's refresh it here. Okay, I did not get a sale yesterday, which is absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine. This happens sometimes, and considering the progress I've been making with this product, I'm not that upset about it. Okay, guys. So, also, before I finish here, make sure people refresh their page when they show you results, because it's very easy to change all these bars and numbers around Very simple to do. If they refresh the page, it shows the real results. So make sure they refresh the page when they talk about their results. All right, guys. Anyway, let's move on here. We're gonna go to my lead gen secrets here. We're gonna pick an email here. Now let's go with which one I just did. Make a minute first. All right, so we'll go to building my money up. Let's do this email today. You could just copy, like I say always, you can copy my email if you're very interested in it. You could just pause it wherever you need it to be at. So I just go down it like this. You can pause right there, pause right there, pause right there, and there you go. And the email's done like that. Also, make sure that you get the link here. I want to make sure I get your link. You get your link from right here. All-in-one $25 business right here. This is the product I'm promoting. They're constantly adding products, a ton of products. All of them are 80% recurring commissions. I just focus on the all-in-one $25 business because it's recurring. It's two different products that's recurring and one huge, one big sale if you get a sale off it. So yeah, so we're gonna post that there, and that's a really good. And this is how you put the link in. I know some people are like, duh, but I've been asked this question: how do you put links in the emails? So that's how you do it. And you click on here. This is the link button. You just click on this, highlight what you want, and click on it, and then put your link in there. And that's about it. So you want to preview your email and make sure the link works. Cause link don't work, you won't get no sales anyway, cause nobody can get to your page. And make sure you hit perfect timing, cause what perfect timing does will send an email around the time people check your email. All right, and then you just hit send email, and that's all there is to it, guys. You do this every morning, about 5 minutes. All it takes is 5 minutes, and you do this every morning, and you can build your income. I'm making about 400, somewhere between $400, $500 a week, a month. I mean, let's say I wish a week, but anyway, a month. And I'm barely doing anything a day, guys. Barely doing anything. This is as much as some kids' part-time jobs. You know what I mean? As much as them working at McDonald's every evening, for like pennies. I'm making about as much as they are, and that's crazy to me. I know people in my class working at McDonald's right now. He told me they only making $8 an hour, and I was like, wow, still, because that was back in the day, I thought, but it's still happening here, and especially with inflation, guys. This is all you have to do to make extra $400-$500. Come on, y'all can do that. I know what I mean. It's that easy, guys. All right, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The links in the description below. You're interested in the product here, my lead gen secrets, or the $25 all-in-one digital business. Maybe you got a better idea how to promote it or whatever. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.